is Jonay Badang from BSIS 1A. Ito po ang aking diagrams. Fundamentals of Information System. Ang nakapalot po dito ay Computer Engineering, Computer Science, Information Technology, Information System, the nature of Information System concept. Fundamentals of Information System is pure principles and concept that forms the basis of information system including data management, technology, application, and organization aspect. Computer engineering. Fields of study focuses on designing, developing, and integrating computer system of hardware components. Computer science. Academic discipline that covers the theory, experimentation, and engineering aspect of computer and computational system. Information technology. Utilization of computers, networking, and software to manage and process data within of an organization. Information system. Integrating set of components of collecting, storing, and processing data to provide information for decision making and control within an organization. The nature of information system. Characteristic on and properties of data and knowledge including accuracy, relevance, timeline, and completeness. System concept. Framework for understanding and components and integration within a complex entity, emphasizing organization purpose and interdependence. Power of supplier. Sa power of supplier, ang nakapalog po dito ay treat of substitute, library among existing competitors, power of buyers, treat of the entrance. Power of suppliers. Influence and control exerted by suppliers over the pricing, quantity, and ability of goods or service. Power of buyers. Influence and control exerted by customer over the pricing, quality, and terms of purchase for goods and service. Treat of entrance. Likelihood of new competitors entering a market, potential disrupting existing businesses and marketing dynamics. Threat of substitute. Potential of alternative products or services to fulfill the same needs or desire as existing offering, posing a threat to market share. Rivalry among existing competitors. Intensity of competition between firms already operating within a market, often driven by factors like price, competition, product differentiation, and market saturation. Information system and strategy. Integration of information technology and system to support and enhance organizational strategies such as competitive advantage, cost, leadership, or differentiation. The value chain. The value chain, ang nakapalog po dito ay supply chain and SIG. The value chain. The value chain. Conceptual framework for understanding how business create value for customer through a series of interrelated series activity from production to distribution to after sales service. Supply chain. Network of organization resources and activities involved in the creation and distribution of goods and service from suppliers to customers. SIM. SIM or search engine marketing. Marketing strategy focus on increasing visibility and traffic to a website through plain advertising on search engines. Competitive strategies and business. Ang nakapaloob po dito ay PDS and FNS. Competitive strategies in business. Approaches and tactics used by companies to gain an edge over rivals, including cost leadership, differentiation, focus, and alliance. PDSR, Product Distribution System. Frameworks or system used by companies to distribution their product to customer and comprising channels, linguistic and strategies. FNS or Financial Management System. Software or platforms used by organizations to manage financial operations including account, budgeting, and reporting. The role of information system and strategy. Ang nakapaloob po dito ay volunteering and purchase. The role of information system and strategy. How information system can be leveraged to support and implement organization strategies such as improving efficient, enabling innovation, and facilitating decision making. Purchasing. Activities and efforts undertaken to solicit and collect financial support or donation for a cause, organization, or project. Voluntary. Volunteering giving one's time and effort willing and without payment to support a cause, organization, or community initiative. Yun lang po, sir.